India is one of the most religiously and ethnically diverse countries in the world, where in the name of religion there are many such customs and traditions alive which are quite amazing. Charak Puja is one such unique tradition which is still celebrated with great enthusiasm in rural Bengal. Usually Charak Puja falls on 14th April every year, which is the last day of Bengali calendar. That is on the last day of the month of Chaitra, which is called Chaitra Sankranti. Lord Shiva is worshipped in Charak Puja, and it is believed that Shiva removes all the sorrows and sufferings of the past year and gives agricultural prosperity and happiness for the coming year. The sole purpose of this puja is to satisfy Lord Shiva. Where in Hindu society, Brahmins are traditionally considered the primary and authorized performers of temple rituals and worship. Charak Puja is solely performed by the people of lower caste of the society through the act of several inhuman rituals, which serve as an instrument of revolt to reclaim their right to worship as well as caste identity. It's a stark reminder of the caste system and discrimination that are deeply ingrained in our social fabric. Preparation of Charak Puja usually begins a month in advance. The team organizing the festival goes door to door dressed as Shiva and Parvati and entertain people by dancing, and thus they collect donations from every household and purchase items required for the rituals. Members of the organizing team who perform the puja observe fast a day before Charak Sankranti, in which they cannot drink even a sip of water. They break their fast the next day in the afternoon after completing this Charak Puja. A holy Charak tree, usually a pillar with a rotating wheel fitted at the top, is installed with tantric pujas at the middle of the worship site, where a mela is being organized to witness the entire ritual. A symbol of Ardhanarishwar idol is also worshipped during the ceremony. People start gathering at the place of worship from afternoon onwards. The entire Charak Puja ceremony involves only male participants who display their strong devotion to please Lord Shiva in the joy of fulfillment of their wishes. Various types of dances are performed during the puja, which depicts the marriage of Shiva and Parvati and the rage of goddess Kali while killing demons as a force capable of destroying the universe. Various inhuman rituals are also performed, such as laying over thorny bed, jumping over fire, practices that are largely about inflicting pain on the self, and most importantly, piercing hooks into the back of devotees and suspending them from the rotating wheel of the holy Charak tree to seek blessings from Lord Shiva. And probably for this mesmerizing spectacle of hook swinging ritual, this ceremony is called Charak Puja, as Charak means charkha, that is wheel. Such inhuman religious rituals are performed by worshippers to demonstrate their ability to endure extreme sufferings as a means to reclaim their right to worship, religious equality, and caste identity. It is believed that if all the rituals are followed correctly, nothing will happen to the performers. Neither they die nor they contract infections from these prickings and piercings. Charak festival is a deliberate move that challenges the caste system of our society, reflecting the innate desire of the lower caste people for upliftment. There is no mention of this puja or its rituals in the Shastras. Some experts believe that this ritual was just a medium of entertainment for the zamidars in the olden days. Today, Charak festival has become a part of folk tradition where tantric chants, walking on fire, and the Kali dance are important part of the spiritual performances. In 1865, the British tried to ban this tradition, calling it a barbaric practice. While the exact origin of this rural folk festival are not precisely known, but it is a century-old festival celebrated especially in rural Bengal at the end of the Bengali calendar and marking the beginning of the Bengali New Year.